Welcome everybody to Gognats. I am Aaron Gogna, and I would like to tell you that God is merciful to you. May kwento kong narinig, pare ang nagkwento sa akin na minsan daw, kwento lang ito ha, joke pa nga merong isang nagkukumpisal, yung sakristan sa simbahan, nagkumpisal sila sa confessional box. Tapos yung sakristan sabing ganyan, "Father, forgive me for I have sinned." Sabi nung pare, "Ano mga kasalanan mo, Father?" Tapos binanggit niya yung mga kasalanan niya. Pagkatapos niya banggitin kasalanan niya, yung pare alam na meron pa itong ginagawang kasalanan na hindi niya kinumpisal. So sabi niya ganyan yung pare, "Iho, ikukumpisal mo rin ba na ikaw ay kumukupit sa love offering sa misa?" Sabi nung sakristan, "Hindi ko ho kayo marinig, Father." Sabi ganyan. Sabi nung pare, "Ano? Lalakasan ko." Sus, nilakasan niya. "Ikaw ba ay kumukupit sa love offering sa misa?" Sabi nung sakristan, "Hindi ko po kayo marinig, Father. Sira po yata ang kumpisalang ito." Sabi nung pare, "Hindi mo ako marinig." "Ano po, Father?" Gumanon pa, sabi ng pare, "Magpalit tayo." So binuksan niya yung pinto at sabi niya, "Dito ka sa pare, ako dito sa iyo." So palit sila. Pag upo nilang ganyan, sabi ng pare, "Naririnig mo ba ako ngayon? Aaminin mo ba na ikaw ay kumupit doon sa love offering ng misa?" Sabi ng pare. Sabi nung sakristan, "Father, naalala ko kasi nakita ko kayo na merong isang babaeng lumalambing-lambing sa inyo pagkatapos ng misa. Totoo ho ba yun, Father?" Sabi nung pare, "Iho, hindi kita marinig. Sira nga yata ang kumpisalan." My dear friends, God is so merciful to you na kahit ano pa yung kasalanan mo, alam ng Diyos yan. Pero dahil siya ay mahal na mahal ka, siya ay mahabagin. So I encourage you, go to Him. Confess your sins to God because He will forgive you of your sins. He is a merciful God. That is why we can come to Him with, even if we are worst, if we have done the worst sin, God will forgive us. Because He died on the cross when we were at our worst, not when we were at our best. Siya ay namatay nung talagang makasalanan tayo masyado. So if you are now living and have done so many mistakes, failures, and sins in your life, I encourage you, go to Him. Go to confession. Huwag ka mahiya. Yung iba nahihiya. Nagpapalit pa ng boses para hindi sila makilala ng pare. But I encourage you, go to God. He is so, so merciful. That is who your God is. Go to Him now. Ask for forgiveness because He is merciful. He is a God of mercy. I am Aaron Gogna, and this is Gognats, wisdom nuggets of wisdom, wit, and wackiness. If you have comments, just write them down below. And if you think your friends need to hear this story, share this episode to them and bless them immensely by the mercy of God. God bless you. See you again.